Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers cheap, Levis, local and long-distance movers near me. If you're coming from Laval, Montreal, or other faraway places, how would you facilitate the move? When you hire us, you get the following benefits right away. Professional packaging, professional advice on transporting freight by air or road, specialized vehicles, pickups or lorries, for varying amounts of boxes, and time saved by moving quickly and safely. You'll never know the advantages of hiring a high-quality service unless you try it, just as the meal you thought you'd never try becomes your favorite after a while. Because of the high volume of shifting over the summer, you may experience increasing prices, but you can be convinced that our rates are always reasonable. When it comes to transferring all types of homes and offices, our organization is flexible and can help personalize its services to meet your individual needs. Short distances can be completed quickly, and same-day commuting is also an option. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Levis moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.